Hi everyone, welcome back to UIbasket. In today's video, I am going to show you how to remove background from images totally free using Freepik. First of all, we will go to Freepik website. Okay, we will open it. We will go to tools and here is the option background removal. We will select it. Okay, so here we will upload our image. Click on it, upload an image and select your image. Okay, so here your image will take 15 to 20 seconds, and there is a recommendation for everyone: always upload a high quality image for better result. Because if you upload a low quality image, you will not get the better result. So always upload a high quality image. So you can see background has been removed. We will download our image. Click on download button. Download it. Yeah. Now you can see the result. Background has been removed. You can see the difference. Okay. Yeah. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. If you have any question or suggestion, leave them in the comment below.